I love that she has an amazing sense of humor, and that she gets my sense of humor, which is unique. I love her smile. I love being able to come back from a trip or where we meet in the middle of the week for dinner and just seeing how happy she is to see me. She's a very family and friend oriented person, so I love that about her. I love that she's accepted my friends and she's accepted my family. I love that she's her openness to communicate, which is something that I don't really do, as she knows. So I do love that she's always wanted to communicate and get everything off her chest, and she wants to hear from me and she wants my feedback. And from my standpoint now, I can really see how that's strengthened our relationship in the most positive way. So I love that she's kind of got me to communicate more, and I look forward to continuing this communication and just growing with her. I like the idea of a custom engagement ring because it's kind of about making it her ring. From the start of working with you and being able to put this ring together and get thoughts and ideas that we both kind of thought were something that were going to make it her ring. Just bringing in all of these ideas that I definitely think she'd like and that I feel a lot more comfortable and confident that she'd like. And ultimately, I think building a ring that I think she would love to see on her finger, rather than me going out and shopping for a ring and imagining it fitting to her finger. So just something that is really hers, and it's hers and it's only hers. And that's kind of what symbolizes our relationship, because it's me and her and it's our relationship and it's no one else's. So that's basically why I like the idea of a custom engagement ring for her. What I really loved about the first date was that it was just going to be dinner, and we stayed at the restaurant till probably close to 11. And we initially met at 7. So the conversation just flowed, and I'm kind of a shy person. So for a conversation to flow and the time to go by that quick was kind of a sign early on that there was something very special about her. What am I most looking forward to about being married to Maria? Definitely sharing more laughs together. Just being able to spend more time together. Starting our family together, which includes dogs, and I did say plural. And getting to know her family a lot more, and her getting to know my family a lot more. We're definitely two family-oriented people, so just growing together and growing our families together. So Maria, I love you. I can't wait to see the look on your face when you see this ring. I hope this ring just means the world to you, because it means everything to me and you mean everything to me. And I can't wait for this to be the first step in symbolizing our relationship and us growing old together. And I hope you love it. I love you.